Are you tired of jumping from one system to another without seeing results? My name is Forex, aka No Signal, No Entry. In today's video, I will review how I made $12,000 in profit in 24 hours using this intraday trading strategy. If that sounds good, let's get into the breakdown. There is this particular chart pattern I love to trade all the time at the end of uptrend market, and I'm going to show you how to trade this chart pattern whenever you spot it at the end of a bullish market, right? And the name of the pattern is head and shoulder chart pattern. Head and shoulder chart pattern represents presence of sellers in the market. When you see this pattern at the end of the trend, just have it at the back of your mind that price want to start selling to the downside. Looking at the historical data right now, some time ago buyers were the one in charge of the market, right? Price started a journey here, by giving us a low. The price give us high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Then price give us higher high, higher low, then higher high. Then the price gave us a formation of bearish reversal chart pattern, which is head and shoulder. Now let me use my head and shoulder tool to draw this pattern very well so that you guys can understand how to establish this pattern at the end of the bullish market trend. We have our left shoulder right here, then we have the neckline, we have the head, then we have the the neckline again, then price bolts are the neckline to the right shoulder right here. So we're expecting the market to break the neckline of the head and shoulder. You see, this pattern is a powerful pattern. Whenever you spot this pattern at the end of bullish market, just exercise a lot of patience. Wait for price to break the neckline of the head and shoulder and keep selling to the downside. The next step I want to observe is to use my downtrend line to connect the edge of this head and shoulder to the right shoulder of this pattern. Now I have a solid downtrend line. Then I want to use my rectangle tool to mark the neckline of this head and shoulder right here. Let me extend it to the historical data to observe how many times price reacted at the key zone. Price reacted around the zone, price reacted here, price reacted here, price reacted here, price reacted here. The next step is to exercise a lot of patience and wait for the price to successfully break the neckline to the downside. Now we have it. Price finally break the neckline to the downside with heavy momentum bearish candlestick. Now look at the momentum of this candlestick right here, right? It indicated every presence of sellers during this session. And let us observe the four phases of the market. We have the breakout phase, then we have the retest phase right here, then we need execution phase, then the next one is the entry phase. These four phases of the market are very important if you want to master this secret I want to review in this video. Right now we have been able to see a breakout phase successfully, that broke out of the neckline of this powerful head and shoulder pattern right here. So we need to observe the next market phase, which is the retest phase. I'm expecting the buyers to take care of the market at this 4-hour support right here to push the price action from the support here and retest the neckline of this head and then shoulder, right? Let's get down to the lower time frame, which is 1 hour time frame. All right, if you have one or two trading problems you want me to solve for you in the future content, you can drop it in the comment section. And if you are enjoying this information I'm sharing in this video, you can support the channel by liking this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification bell. Let's dive into the charts. On the 1 hour time frame of gold right now, you can see we have powerful confluences at the PO high. Number one, we have our resistance right here, then we have our downtrend line as well. What I'm expecting the price action to do right now is to give me a proper retracement phase, right? To give me a retest and mitigate this resistance right here, also tap this trend line here. So I'm having a double combo. I have resistance at the PO high, which represent my key level. Then I also have my downtrend line, two combination, which makes this setup a high probability setup. Right now, let's observe the retest phase. We have been able to see a successful breakout to the downside. Now what I'm expecting right now is a retest, which is the second phase of the market. Right, let's see what the price action will offer us on the setup. Right now the price is giving us a retest phase. We want the price to retest this resistance level successfully. And don't forget, whenever the price action is retesting or approaching a resistance level, one thing you must pay attention to is the weak rejection at the top of the candlesticks. You can see weak rejection at the top of this bullish candlestick right here. So we have weak rejection here, we have weak rejection here, we have weak rejection at the top, we have another one here, we have another one here. These weak rejections at the top of the candlesticks indicate that sellers are warming up to take charge of the market. Let's observe the next candlestick. Right now we have another bullish candlestick right here. We have another low volume bullish candlestick. Look at the next candlestick that form after this healthy bullish candlestick. This is dodgy, and whenever you spot dodgy inside resistance, it's a sign that sellers are also warming up to take charge of the market. The final confirmation I'm waiting for inside my PO high is I'm expecting the price to touch this downtrend line. Now price already mitigated this resistance. I'm waiting for the price to mitigate the trend line as well. Looking at the price action right now, the wick of this bearish candlestick successfully mitigate this downtrend line. The next step right now is to scale down to 15-minute time frame and observe the entry market phase. On the 15-minute chart, let's pay attention to how price reacted at the downtrend line. We have first reaction here, we have the second touch right here, now we have the third touch. Don't forget the trend line third touch rule. Whenever the price action mitigates the trend line the third time, expect price to react, and you should be expecting to take a valid setup at the trend line third touch. So let's pay attention to the reaction of the candlesticks inside the PO high, which is loaded zone, and you can see volume reduction right inside the PO high. Right now we have volume reduction right here, and then we have multiple weak rejections at the top of these candlesticks, right? And let's pay attention to the momentum of this bearish candlestick trying to push the price action to the downside. Right, we have low bearish candlestick volume right here, then we have high volume bearish candlestick right here. This also indicates another heavy presence of sellers in the market. The last confluence I want to observe in the market before I execute this sell position is to wait for formation of head and shoulder pattern of 15-minute time frame. Right, I want a pattern formation like this, then price come to the neckline, then price give me the right shoulder here, and I'll wait for price to break the neckline successfully. The first LD bearish candlestick to break the neckline successfully will activate my sell order. Right, so let us pay attention. So I want the price to sell down a little bit to the neckline, and if you look at the formation of this price action right here, we can see a bearish reversal chart pattern, which is head and shoulder. Then we have the head around the zone. Price is already at the neckline, so I want the price to give me a right shoulder here, then exercise a lot of patience and wait for the price to break the neckline to the downside. The first healthy bearish candlestick to break the neckline of this head and shoulder on 15-minute time frame will activate my sell order. So let's continue and wait for price to give us the right shoulder right here. I want the price to give me a successful right shoulder. Now price bought at the neckline of this head and shoulder right here. We have the neckline right here, then the buyers took charge of the market, they pull the price action a little bit to give me right shoulder. Now I want the sellers to break the neckline to the downside. The first bearish candlestick to close below the neckline of this head and shoulder will activate my sell order. So let me see what the price action will offer me on this trade right now. Let's pay attention to the next candlestick. Let's exercise a lot of patience. Price is here to break the neckline of the head and the shoulder. So let me see the next candlestick formation. Finally, the price successfully break the neckline of the head and shoulder successfully with a healthy bearish candlestick pattern, right? So this one is going to be my entry level. Then I will place my stop loss above the head. Then I'm going to target the next major support level that started this retracement phase right here. You know, the retracement phase or the retest phase started at this support right here. So this is going to be my final take profit, right? These are about ratio 1 to 3 risk to reward on gold right now. All right, so let's see what the price will offer us on this trade. Price is reacting inside the stop loss zone. No shaking, no shaking. We just have to believe in the system, right? So that the price action hits take profit level or stop loss level, right? Either of the two, you know, we're going to take full responsibility of the outcome of this trade. Now price is, you know, giving us a little bit of profit right now, so let's exercise a lot of patience. You know, it's a game of patience because this price is, you know, is structured in a way to reward the patient traders. Let's see what is going to happen. Prices are pushing the final take profit support level zone right here. Let's exercise a lot of patience, right? Wow, the price is taking so much time right now, so much time. Let me extend this down trend line to the downside a little bit. Wow, about to go down right now. Price is going up again. What is going on? What is going on? What is going on? No panic, no panic. I believe this setup will still hit take profit level. It doesn't matter, I don't care. I still believe, because I believe in this system. Finally, the price action smashed the take profit level, right? This is an amazing setup. Whenever you spot head and shoulder pattern at the end of a bullish market, just have it at the back of your mind that sellers are coming in to change the trend to downtrend market. Welcome to the end of this video. I believe you must have learned one or two things from the information I just shared in this video. I would truly appreciate your support by liking this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification button. This helps YouTube algorithm to recommend this video to more traders out there looking for possible ways to become profitable this year. And if you're interested to be part of my community on Telegram, where I give out profitable signals every week, you can click on the link in the description to join now. See you next time.